Good morning. It is a Monday. Getting over being sick last week, but got a pretty busy week this week, and gonna try to get most of it on film and test out this vlogging style and see if I've got anything interesting that you guys want to see. So we're gonna start off by running to the store and getting us some breakfast. We are on our way to the store to get some breakfast, but we're going to make a pit stop down here close and go ahead and crank the dump truck. We'll be back for you in a minute. Alright, so I got here to pick up the excavator, and the water department's here putting water taps in, and they're kind of all up in the way, and I got distracted and forgot the camera, so grab my phone for a second. We're gonna get the SANY here warmed up and ready to load. Alright, I didn't manage to get any footage of the load up. We're gonna unload the SANY right here. We're in the SANY now, about to track back probably nearly a mile off the road from where we unloaded. Alright, quick little update now that I got started. Finally found the solid bottom. Thought about messed up when I first started. First thing I did, I thought I was going to sink that machine in a hole I couldn't get it out of. But you can see what I've kind of started doing here is just digging the mud out. Looks like about 3 to 4 foot of mud, and piling it right there for right now. I'm just trying to get everything loosened up and piled, because we're going to bring the track loader over here probably to move all this. But I would rather, I kind of wanted to just get a feel for it with the excavator and see what we were up against before I come over here with the loader, because I didn't want to bury the loader, and it'll be a lot cleaner on the loader and easier on it if it can just scoop out of this pile and not have to be digging into this mud and packing it out. So we're just gonna kind of make a bunch of piles for the loader to take out of, and just go from there. Alright, quick update on the pond progress. I think we're done over here for the day. We're going to go jump on another little side project I got to finish up. And I actually may be done with the excavator here. Didn't actually take as much as I thought it was going to. We've worked a couple, 3 or 4 hours here. Got the ditch filled back in from where I drained the pond. And I was particular about how I put that in, because I was afraid that would create a spot for it to leak later. So I put it in 6 or 8 inches at a time and beat it in with the bucket. And here's the progress so far. It don't look like we've done a whole lot because it's still all piled up in there, but I definitely think we've got it started enough that shouldn't have any trouble coming in and finishing up with the loader. So that's the plan. We'll get back with you when we get the loader over here and get to moving some of this material out. Alright, so we gotta make a pit stop. We're gonna pick up the Bobcat and go spread some gravel on another little side job. It's a new construction house. I think it closes tomorrow, and they just wanted to dress up the parking area just a little bit. So that's where we're headed next. Get the old Bobcat started up. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today. This is my first video like this. First ever equipment video. It's something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and just now finally got the motivation to do it. I'd really appreciate it if you like the video to give me some feedback, give me some comments. Anything like that is going to be a motivator to do it again, and sometimes I struggle with the motivation, so I'd love to see that somebody was watching it. If one person watches it and enjoys it, then that was worth it to me. So bear with me. Any criticism, any constructive feedback would be great. Would love to hear what y'all got to say, what y'all think about the video. Also, if anybody is interested in the other equipment that I have, I thought about doing like a walk around video of each piece, instead of y'all just seeing them in videos as I use them. Maybe kind of like a fleet introduction series where I do a video on each machine, like the 580 case backhoe, 773 Bobcat. We have a Kubota Mini X and 2 dump trucks, 1 big dump truck, one ton dump truck. If y'all want to see that, let me know, and see y'all later. Thanks for watching.